Our adventure hike to Aunu'u began on a bus from the market, and then we made the channel crossing over to Aunu'u on a boat.
Foi, foi mấy lại gì ngọc? Rồi tạm đi với lại rồi.
The village man directed us to Quicksand Lake, a mangrove habitat for the rare black Pacific duck. Above us, fruit bats soared. We actually thought about spending the night in this jungle shack. It overlooked the crater lake inside Aunu'u's volcanic dome. On the blown-out side of the volcanic dome, fresh lake water runs to the sea. Oceanside sedges and grasses dominate the lowland rainforest. Aunu'u's seabirds such as noddies and boobies hover in the currents searching for food. We decided to break off the trail and bushwhacked our way up to the crater ridgetop. Our efforts paid off. Aunu'u's diversity took our hike beyond expectations. Hanging vine lianas, this ficus tree outcrop, and the most beautiful pandanus growth we had ever seen. These microenvironments change on Aunu'u rapidly, a result of soils, humidity, and altitude. Heading down from the crater ridge, we passed through the lower canopy trees of the littoral rainforest. At sea level, the wetland taro root plantations provide subsistence food crops, the Polynesian staple thousands of years old. Near the surf, salt-resistant creepers and vines survive. In the village, a 4,000-year-old way of life also survives. Family graves, an earth oven, a well-tended garden, and the pace of life attest to Aunu'u's cultural heredity.
You're here.
After 5 hours of hiking, we were back at the wharf. Our boat captain was well prepared to renew his incredible voyaging routes that brought life, culture, and society to Aunu'u and all of Polynesia.